There are 3 checks sitting with your name on them right now in 2026. One is worth about $2,400 a year. One can cut your power bill by hundreds. And the third, an actual second monthly check, is worth almost $12,000 a year for the right person. And the wild part? 1 in 3 seniors who qualify for these never file the paperwork. Not because they're not eligible, because nobody ever explained it to them straight. That changes in the next 12 minutes. I quote Robert Hayes. On this channel, I do one job. I read the fine print on the programs built for people on a fixed income, and I tell you in plain English what it means for your bank account. I don't work for Medicare or Social Security. Whether you apply changes nothing for me. Here's the deal for the next few minutes. 3 benefits, real 2026 numbers, and exactly who to call. I'm putting the biggest one last, so if you've ever been told you make too much for something like this, stick around because that answer might already be out of date. Quick reason. Nobody's told you this. These are apply for programs. Nobody's job is to call you and say you qualify, let's sign you up. That person doesn't exist. So the money just sits there. Let's go get it. Benefit 1. Medicare Savings Program. If you're on Medicare, you're paying a Part B premium, the part that covers doctor visits, and it comes straight out of your Social Security check before you ever see it. In 2026, that's $202.90 a month. Over a year, that's about $2,435 quietly leaving your check. Here's the fix. A Medicare Savings Program. Your state pays that premium for you. Not lowers it, pays it. Your Social Security check goes up by that exact amount. For a lot of seniors, that's the single biggest raise they get all year, and it has nothing to do with Congress. There are 3 tiers, and the top one goes further than just the premium. It also wipes out your deductibles and copays, so surprise bills after a doctor visit stop landing in your mailbox at all. Now, the number that actually matters, who qualifies? In most states for 2026, top tier, QMB. Single up to about $1,350 per month, couple up to about $1,824. Middle tier, SLMB. Single up to about $1,616 per month, couple up to about $2,184. Widest tier, QI. Single up to about $1,816 per month, couple up to about $2,455. Some states set the bar even higher than that. So before you say, I make too much, actually check. A lot of people who are dead sure they're over the line land comfortably under it. Take Margaret Tom, 73, a widow, modest Social Security check. Every month, a little over $200 disappeared for her Part B premium before that money ever touched her account. She assumed programs like this were for someone else. When she finally had her real numbers run, she qualified. Her state took over the premium. Her check went up by over $200 a month, close to $2,400 a year. And nothing in Margaret's life changed except that someone finally showed her the door was open. How to apply? Call your state Medicaid office or your local SHIP counselor. That's the free state health insurance assistance program. You don't need to know the tier names. Just say, I'm on Medicare, I'm on a fixed income, and I want to know if I qualify to have my Part B premium paid. That's it. And that kind of money attracts a very specific kind of thief. So before we move on, 30 seconds on that. If someone calls saying they're from Medicare or Social Security and they can start this benefit today, they just need your bank account or your Medicare number to confirm it. Hang up. The real agencies never cold call you for that to hand you money. You call them at the number you look up yourself, never the other way around. Benefit 2. Energy assistance. Second one hits a bill that keeps a lot of you up at night, the power bill. It's called LIHEAP, the Low-Income Home Energy Assistance Program, and most people who've heard the name assume it's not for them. It helps pay heating and cooling, depending on your household and state. That can be anywhere from a couple $100 up to around $1,000 toward your bill, often paid straight to the utility company so you never touch the money. Most states also have a crisis fund on top of it, for shut-off notices or a furnace that just quit on you. None of this counts against your Social Security or your other benefits. The catch is funding is limited and handed out by state. First to the households considered most vulnerable. Seniors on a fixed income are usually near the top, but you have to actually be in line, and that window is open now, not in December when the cold's already here and the money's gone. Think of a retired couple rationing the heat every winter because they figured this kind of help was charity, not for them. One call to 211 later, a few $100s went straight to the utility, and the crisis fund fixed a furnace they'd been babying for 2 winters. How to claim it? Call your local energy assistance office or just dial 211 MON free helpline, connects you straight to whoever runs it in your state. Free to apply, no exceptions. Benefit 3. SSI, Supplemental Security Income. Here's the one that trips people up the most, so hold 2 ideas apart in your head. There's Social Security, the check you earned by working, and there's SSI, Supplemental Security Income, a completely separate federal check for people 65 or older, or disabled, living on a low income with limited resources. The mistake that costs people the most, assuming that because you already get Social Security, you can't also get SSI. Not true. If your Social Security check is modest, you can very often get a partial SSI payment stacked on top of it. One doesn't cancel out the other. For 2026, the maximum federal SSI payment is $994 a month for an individual, $1,491 for a couple, and some states add their own supplement on top. If you already have Social Security coming in, that usually reduces your SSI amount. But a partial check isn't nothing. For someone on a tight fixed income, it can be the difference between the month working and the month not working. And here's where people count themselves out for no reason. SSI looks at your savings, but the home you live in generally doesn't count against you, and your car usually doesn't either. Don't assume you're disqualified because you own your house. Take Tom, 38 years on the job, a pension that dried up, a Social Security check that stopped stretching to the end of the month. He was sure SSI was welfare and not for him. Wrong on both counts. A partial SSI check landed on top of his Social Security, a few $100s a month, and for the first time in years, the math worked. How to apply? Directly through the Social Security Administration, online at ssa.gov, by phone, or in person. Free to apply, always. Here. Quote S the part that changes everything for people who checked before and got told no. Every year, the cost of living adjustment moves these income lines. SSI went up this year. The Medicare Savings Program limits moved too, which means someone who was $50 a month over the line last year could already be under it this year, without changing a single thing about their life. If your answer was no, 2 or 3 years ago, that answer is expired. The only way to know is to check again. One phone call. Possibly thousands of dollars. Put it together. The Medicare Savings Program is worth roughly $2,435 a year, more at the top tier. LIHEAP is worth up to around $1,000 a year toward your utility bill. And SSI, for the right person, is worth up to almost $12,000 a year. Even a partial check is real thousands. That's not pocket change for a lot of you. That's the difference between white-knuckling every month and actually breathing. And the people who collect all 3 aren't smarter than you. They just found out it existed and filled out the form. Now you know too. So don't let this be the year you leave it on the table again. Medicare Savings Program. Call your state Medicaid office or SHIP. Energy help. Dial 211 now while the funding's still open. SSIE, go straight to Social Security. All 3, free to apply for. And one more time, the real agencies never call you first asking for your bank number to hand you money. You call them. If this helped, send it to someone 65 or older who's convinced the government doesn't owe them anything. They might be sitting on thousands they've never heard of, and you could be the reason they finally check. Subscribe and turn on the bell so the next one finds you.